Big news for all photographers and image enthusiasts out there, as Windows 11 24H2 now natively supports the JPEG XL image format, making it easier than ever to view and manage high-quality images on your PC. This next-gen image format has arrived with a bang, offering superior performance and image quality compared to traditional formats like JPEG, HEIC, AVF, and WebP. JPEG XL is optimized to deliver smaller file sizes, while sacrificing the sharpness and vibrant colors that you love. It's 55% smaller than JPEG and up to 25% smaller than AVIF, which means faster uploads, quicker image openings, and less storage usage without compromising the quality of your photos. Whether you're a professional photographer or just someone who values lifelike, accurate images, JPEG XL offers a wider color range for more realistic and vivid visuals that JPEG often struggles to provide. If you're ready to dive into the future of image formats, all you need to do is install the JPEG XL image extension from the Microsoft Store. Once installed, Windows 11 will let you view JPEG XL files directly in File Explorer, with thumbnails and image previews available for easy browsing. You can even set JPEG XL images as your desktop wallpaper or open them with Windows Media Player Legacy. This integration is just beginning, as Microsoft plans to roll out support for JPEG XL in more apps, giving users even more options to handle these files as the format continues to gain traction. This is a huge leap forward, especially as demand for efficient image formats grows, with JPEG XL becoming a key player in future-proofing your image storage needs. So if you want to stay ahead of the curve with cutting-edge image technology, make sure to install the JPEG XL extension today and enjoy a faster, smoother experience when managing your image collection on Windows 11. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechVerse, your go-to source for all things tech.